Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Alternative Deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Fourie. So Fourie is a multimodal AI tool that lets you dub your audio content and it can even dub your video content, which is amazing. And other than these features, Fourie also lets you add subtitles to your videos. And for subtitling or dubbing, to be precise, there are over 35 languages and you can also dub your content in various voices that seem suitable for you. And you will be happy to know that there are over 600 voices on Fourie. And last but definitely not the least, Fourie also lets you text narrate your content, which means text-to-speech capability. And the great news is Fourie is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $400, but at AppSumo you are getting the Fourie lifetime deal at only $49. It is a one-time single payment. Fourie is an alternative to Speechelo and Synthesia. Now let's have a look at all the features that you are going to get with this AppSumo deal. So using the AI, you can dub your video and audio, you can add subtitle, you can narrate your text, you're going to get access to all the future modalities. There are 35 languages, 600 plus voices. And here's a breakdown how the credit score is going to work. So as you can see on the license tier 1, the cost is $49 and here you get 120 monthly credits. And once again, here is a breakdown. So if you dub using the AI, which means audio dub or video dub, 4 credits is going to be deducted for every minute of your video. And if you narrate, you're going to spend 2 credits every minute, and for subtitle, the same applies. So there are some other tiers. If you need more credits, you can buy this license tier 2 with 500 credits or the license tier 3 with over 1000 credits. There is even another tier with around 5000 monthly credits. So this is huge. So if you want to buy any of these tiers or the Fourie lifetime deal from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. After you log into Fourie, you'll get this dashboard. And as you can see, I have already created some projects and done some work. So to start, what you have to do is click on this plus icon. And here are the 4 primary features. So you can dub your video, audio, you can add subtitle to your video, or you can also narrate or text to speech. So the first thing I want to show you how to video dub, how to add a video for dubbing. So click on this and you have to provide a project name. Then you have to choose the source language, which means the default language that your video is already in. So if your video is in English, you have to select that. Search for English and then click on English. And then you have to select the target language, which means the video language is in English, but in what language you want this video to translate into. So if you want to dub your video, for example, into Arabic, you can select Arabic, or you can also select some other language, for example, Chinese. And there are various variations on a particular language. For example, for English, you have the Australian English, British English, Canadian English. So there are various options for English. There are various variants for French, for German. So as you can see, this way you have to select the target language. And then you have to select the self-edit, and on the right side on this box you have to upload your video, the video that you want to dub, and then you can simply click on create project. It will then take you to the editor. So let me show you that editor. So as you can see, this is the editor that I was talking about. So I uploaded a very short video. It is about 5 seconds long, and if I show you the original video, so here is the original video.
After watching my last video about investing, a subscriber called Tom asked me that exact question.
So this was my original video and I wanted to dub it into Hindi. And as you can see, here is the dubbing. Here is the full subtitle of the Hindi. And now if I show you the translated one, which means what I have got after dubbing it into Hindi. So let's see the result.
निवेश के बारे में मेरा आखिरी वीडियो देखने के बाद टॉम ने सवाल पूछा.
And if you know Hindi, you will understand that the result is amazing. It is very accurate. The dubbing was simply perfect. And you can also change the dubbing from here. So if you double click on it, now you can edit this text to modify this dubbing as you want. And there are some options on here. You can paraphrase this dubbing. You can also get a timed translation of this dubbing. And you can open the virtual keyboard, or you can also enlarge this. You might ask how to change the voices. So you can do that from here. As you can see, you can select the gender. For example, I want male voices. So the video is now dubbed into male voice. I can also choose some other male voice. So there are 2 voices available. And if I go back to female, there are these voices available for only this Hindi language. And a great feature is you can even change the emotion of how a voice sounds. So you can do that from here. So there are various emotions, as you can see. You can select whatever you want and then you can play the video.
निवेश के बारे में मेरा आखिरी
And there are some other editing tools such as you can select the seeker or reposition or merge this. There's also some great feature. You can remove the background noise from a video. You can change the playback speed. You can also change the pitch. So if you want high pitch, you can make it high pitch or you can also lower it. And then there is also volume control. You can increase or decrease the volume from here. So this was everything about video dubbing. Now once again, let's go to the dashboard. And if I click once again on this plus icon, I can also go to the audio dubbing. The audio dubbing is exactly same as video. So you have to upload your audio file on this box. The supported formats are MP3, WAV, FLAC, OGG and AIFF. So you have to give a project name. Select the source language, which means the language that is already on the video. And then you have to select the target language or the dub language. Then simply you have to click on create project to dub your audio content. Then we have this video subtitling. So this is also very easy. Once again, you have to upload your video. Then select the source language for your video and also the target language, which means in what language you want to get the subtitle on. So you have to select that on this target language. And then simply click on create project. I have also done a video subtitling and that is available on here. So let's open this. So this is the video export page where I will export the page with subtitle. I can also click on back to editing. And as you can see, this is what you are going to get when you try to add subtitles to your video. So this is my video. Once again, this is my video and this is the full subtitle on the default language. And as target language, I selected Bengali. And this is the Bengali subtitle that I have got. So I can also edit the subtitle if I want. And to get the final result, which means to add subtitle to video, I have to click on publish. And I already published it. And once you click on publish, you are going to get this page. And from here, you will get the subtitle on here. You can copy this if you want. And to get the whole files, you have to select the video, the subtitle and also the audio. And simply click on export. Now it is going to be downloaded as a zip file. So let me show you that. So here's the file. Here's the zip file that I opened. And here is my clip and also the WAV clip. And here is the original subtitle, which means with source language. And here is the actual translated subtitle. So to add the subtitle, all I had to do is drag and drop the subtitle file into this VLC media player. Now if I play this video, as you can see, here is the subtitle.
Ask me that exact question.
So this way you can add subtitles to your video using Fourie. Now let's go back to the dashboard. And the last feature is this text narration. Once again, you have to give a project name and then select the language of the text file. So these are some of the file formats that are supported: doc, docx, PDF, txt, srt and vtt. So you have to select the language of the text file that you upload on here. You have to select that on here. For example, if your text is in English, select English and then you have to choose the gender. Then you have to click on create project and this is going to create your text to speech project. I have already created one. Let me show you an example. So here is the docx file that I uploaded. Now let's play this one.
Warmest greetings and a hearty welcome. I hope this message finds you in great spirits. It's truly a pleasure to have the opportunity to engage.
So if you noticed, there are various different voices for this text. The whole text does not have one single speaker. You can also add different speakers. For example, this is one sentence. So this is one sentence and this is another sentence. So once you have a new sentence, you can add a different speaker to that sentence. For example, on this, I have a female voice called Natasha. And if I go to this third sentence, as you can see, this is also a female voice, but another speaker called Daisy. I can also change this one. So as you can see, it is already changed. So this way you can have different speakers for different sentences. For example, on here, I could have a male voice and the name should be Oliver. So now let's play this one.
Warmest greetings and a hearty welcome.
I hope this message finds you in great spirits.
It's truly a pleasure.
So as you can see, you can also select different speakers according to different sentences, and that is an amazing feature. And no matter if you are dubbing your video or audio or narrating your speech or adding subtitles to your video, once your project is finished on this editor, you have done all the adjustments, you can simply click on publish to get the raw file. You will get all the exporting options. Overall, I have to say Fourie is an excellent tool. It is a complete collection of all the dubbing tools that you need for your audio or video dubbing. It also allows you to add subtitles, and it can even do the text-to-speech conversion. So that is amazing. And it is available on AppSumo. Fourie is available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. So if you want to buy this lifetime deal of Fourie from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all these features. And here are some of the tiers that you can buy from AppSumo. So that's it for today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.